The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is now in force. Also, the red rainstorm warning signal and landslip warning have been issued. Let's take a look at the latest about Typhoon Koinu. At 3 a.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 90 kilometers southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory. Koinu is forecast to move west at about 10 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the western part of the Pearl River estuary. Intense rain bands associated with Koinu are affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. From the radar imagery, we can see that in the past few hours, rain bands have been continuously sweeping Hong Kong from east to west. Locally, since midnight, more than 50 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over many places, and rainfall even exceeded 100 millimeters over the eastern part of Hong Kong Island, Kowloon East and Tseung Kwan O. The radar imagery also shows that rain bands of Koinu extend 200 kilometers to the east of its center. These rain bands will persistently affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary this morning and bring squalls to the region. Winds may be occasionally up to gale force. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force at least until 11 a.m. today. Locally today, there will be heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Please continue to take precautions against high winds and flooding and beware of landslip dangers. As seas are still very rough and there are swells, please stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas. Don't engage in water sport activities.